Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Leah, if you guys did not know already. And today, wait, hold on. First of all, welcome to Vlogmas Day 1, okay? It's motherfucking Vlogmas. It's gonna be lit. My name is Leah. If you are new, welcome. What the fuck is up? Let's get some holiday cheer around this motherfucker. So, by the title down below, y'all already know what's about to happen, okay? I am about to get my first ever camera today. Vlogmas Day 1. We had to start off right. This is a really big moment for me, okay? It may not be big to some, but to me, okay, like, this is huge. Like, I've been on YouTube. I've been doing YouTube, making videos for about like a year and a half, and I've done everything on my phone. So to finally get a camera, to finally invest in you guys a little more, you know what I'm saying? To finally give you guys the quality that y'all deserve. Like, the people that watch me and the people that's been rocking with me, the people that fuck with me, like, y'all deserve better quality. Like, I deserve to look at better quality, and so do y'all. So today is the day, bitch, okay? Like, we period, okay? Let's get some holiday cheer around this motherfucker, right? That's what we're doing. So that's how we're gonna start off Vlogmas. That's what we're doing today. Before I pick up my camera, I've been saving some checks, y'all. So it's some checks that I need to cash first. Y'all, let me tell y'all what happened to me. So this morning I went to work. Like, I went to work at 6 a.m. And y'all, I picked up an extra shift today. Like, I didn't even have to be there. And like, oh bitch, they had me outside in the rain. I was like, why did I sign up for this? Like, I could be at home. I literally signed up to do this shit. Like, huh? So yeah, I left work or whatever, and I went to the bank. And the bank told me when I was trying to cash my checks that I can deposit them, but it's gonna be a 7-day hold on my money because you know, your girl had a couple overdrawns or whatever. First of all, bitch, mind your business. Okay, that's one. Second of all, bitch, it's my money today and it's my money 7 days later. So why can't I have it today? Like, I was really annoyed.
It's my money and I need it now.
Okay, so I'm gonna just go to like one of them check cashing places and cash my check because I need my camera today. It's Vlogmas. Vlogmas waits for nobody, okay? Vlogmas waits for nobody. So we're gonna get our camera today, okay? I'm not waiting. I was not gonna do that. At first I gave her my checks and I was like, okay, well fine. I'll figure something else out. But I was like, no, Vlogmas waits for no one. So we're gonna do it today. But yeah, you guys, that is what we're gonna be doing. I'm about to get ready to go. I'm waiting on my mama because, y'all, she insisted that she came with me. She said that she has to be a part of this moment, so I ain't gonna tell her she can't come, but she needs to hurry up because I'm ready to get this thing popped. But I'm just so excited and I'm so happy, and I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are happy because I'm excited and I'm happy, and I hope y'all are excited. Y'all, let's take a shot for this accomplishment, okay? Let's take a shot for, you know, me overcoming. No. Let's take a shot. Let's take a shot for me crossing into a new threshold of YouTube. Like, this is an investment. Like, this is me investing in what I like to do, and I'm super proud of myself, and I'm really happy about it. So we're gonna take a shot. Don't ask me why I have Crown Royal right here next to me. Okay? Don't worry about all that. Let's just take the shot, okay? I don't have no shot glass. Oh, bitch, it's not even open. I don't have no shot glass, so we just gonna straight out the bottle of this bitch. Okay, this is to me getting my camera, like. Okay. Right. So yeah. Oh. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys probably when I get in the car or when I get to Best Buy. I don't know. Like I said, I'm going to cash the checks first, and then we're going to head there. I got makeup all on my hands. Y'all, I do not like my makeup today. It is giving me real, like, 2016, I know how to do makeup, YouTube type bitch. But yeah, y'all, I'll talk to you guys when I get probably in the car or when I get to Best Buy. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally in the car, and I finally cashed the check. Like, but it took me 10 years to cash this check, like, because it was 2 of them that I had to cash, and it took forever. Like, it's so much traffic out here. Everybody's outside. I don't know why. I mean, I know it's Saturday. I know people are off, but go home, like, God. But people don't want to be home because they just was home all day for Thanksgiving. So people is out trying to get the sales, but baby, go home. Hold on, y'all. Let me get my racks together. I wish this was mine. I I guess that's how people feel when they be cashing they money for their rent.
Oh, yeah.
And they be like, dang, I wish this was mine. People be on the ground flexing with their rent money.
Somebody spending their rent right now.
Yeah, somebody spending that. I told people on Twitter because somebody was like, should I go Black Friday shopping or pay rent? What you do is you go Black Friday shopping and you dispute your Black Friday purchases and then you pay rent. So I'm on my way to Best Buy right now. I'm like nervous. Mama, are you nervous?
Oh, I'm excited.
I am so nervous. I just want everything to work out, like, and just go right. Because things don't be working out, but things are going to work out today. Be positive. What is these children doing? I'm rude. I would have still just been driving. Like, if y'all get hit, y'all see me. Y'all see me. I'm bigger than you. This car bigger than you, so you saw me. You got my way. Okay. Y'all, we finna go. We have arrived to Best Buy. Time to go get my teams. We're here. Okay, you guys. So I have to find the cameras. Oh, and guess what, y'all? Actually, my camera is on sale today. Like when I checked before Black Friday, like on Thursday, it was not on sale. But I checked today just to make sure that this location I'm at has it. It's on sale. So God just worked it out like perfectly for me. Huh? A TV?
Yes.
Why can't you get a
for my
TV?
bedroom.
Mama Ashley told me that they had 140 inches or 150 inches for like 40 inches for 150 at like it's somewhere Target.
I got a house.
It is really on sale. It was $649 at once, but now it's $599. Oh my God, it's so crazy how things just worked out. Cause I swear to God, when I was gonna get this camera, like, well, I was never gonna get it months ago, but when I was looking at it or whatever, it was higher than this. Then it got lower. Then it got cheaper. No, it was like 7 something. Then it went down to something, and then now it went down to this. So it's lit. OMG. Okay, I need help. I need help. I finally need help. Bro, y'all, any other time I used to come in here, I ain't never need help. I just would come in here. But today, I need help. Y'all, I am so excited. Like, okay, y'all wanna know a secret? So, maybe about 3 months ago, y'all. 3 or 4 months ago. So y'all know when I told y'all I didn't have a job or whatever the whole 2019 until about a couple months ago, right? I used to come in here. I didn't know how I was gonna pay for my camera. I didn't know how I was gonna get it. But I used to come in Best Buy. Anytime I passed by Best Buy, if I was just out and about and it was a Best Buy close to me, I would go to Best Buy, get out, come and look at my camera and pray about my camera that I would get this camera. And today I'm finally about to get it. Like, it's crazy. I don't know. But that's manifestation, y'all. For real, you really gotta speak shit into existence. And I know this may not be big to like y'all, but this is big to me. I mean, hopefully it's big to y'all because y'all watch me, so y'all can finally see your girl in HD. You know, I know it's been a little fuzzy over the years. Y'all barely can hear me, but it's off in the chamber. But look at the quality right here, and look at the quality right there.
Oh yeah, it's a difference.
Excuse y'all, look at my mama with her rocket tattoo.
Represent.
Oh God. That's mama. I don't know what we can call you. Cause I don't have like a special name on YouTube. You just gotta be Mama Leah. Mama Fortune or something. Oh my goodness. Today is really the day. And I'm really getting it on sale, y'all. Like that shit is sorry mom. That stuff is crazy. Y'all know I be cursing up a storm. I'm trying to censor myself because my mama around. But
I see your channel.
y'all, my mama really be watching my videos, and I be telling her, please do not watch my videos because I know sometimes I be a little reckless with my mouth, but she insists on watching them. So I don't be wanting you to watch them though. Just like them and just move on with your life. Don't sit and watch.
I like only.
Okay. Y'all, it's really about to happen. It's really about to happen to me. Let me put on my lip gloss so y'all can hear. You know, I'm trying to get y'all the best of the best. You feel me?
You look
Y'all.
like that girl who made $1 million just eating.
Girl, yes. Yes.
Her husband quit his job as an engineer.
Yes, and he
To
edits
edit
her
her
videos.
videos.
Yes,
That black chick?
her name is B Love. She is
Yeah.
the B Love is the, y'all.
I saw her.
Y'all, when B Love, y'all watch B Love. Okay, I just started watching B Love. When B Love drops her sauce again, I'm getting her sauce, and we doing a whole mukbang. Yes,
Yeah.
she's rich.
She is rich.
And her husband edits her videos, and they are rich.
They have
and
the green screen
and
because they can
she,
afford it now.
all she does is eat.
All she does
And
is
she uploads every single day.
Yeah.
That's why she's so. That is why she has so much money, because she uploads every single day.
Yes, I heard. She does.
Okay, y'all. So there's nothing going
I'm sorry,
on.
that was off script.
No, I don't care. It's called vlogging. That's what vlogging is. Okay, y'all. So there's nothing going on right now. So I'm gonna come back. I don't want to waste all my memory, y'all. I don't gotta worry about deleting everything off my phone. We ain't even finna get into it. I'm finna cry. Okay. I'm gonna talk to y'all when something interesting is happening, because nothing's going on right now. I'm waiting for the people to come give me my shit. Okay, y'all, so he found it. I could just sit right here. He found it, y'all. At first, I didn't think it was here. Well, he didn't know. Well, we knew it was here, but it wasn't confirmed that it was here.
What's your phone number?
832
Yeah.
945
What's your address?
What's my address?
055.
Royal.
Royal Oak?
My mind is going 100 miles.
Houston?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and verify real quick. You can pay cash or card?
Half and half.
Half and half?
Yeah.
So how much cash?
Let me see. Let me count it. So I think it's 420. That's 100. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's 200. 4, so 420 in cash.
420?
And then the rest on my card. Okay, you guys. So guess what? My fucking storage got full on my phone. So but those days are over. We got it, you guys. Okay. Let's go have a moment. Okay, y'all. So I'm back in the car. My camera. I mean, not my camera. My phone kept cutting off and all that stuff. But I'm gonna do an unboxing for y'all right now, because I cannot wait till I get home. Okay. And yeah. So I got the camera. So I haven't told you guys, thank you, mommy. So I haven't told you guys the kind of camera I was getting the whole video. I just realized that. But I got the Canon G7X. Y'all know, the basic YouTuber camera for vlogging. And I just thought that this would be a great camera. Why you turn the car off? It's hot. I got the, the good one for vlogging and, sit down videos. It's just a really good camera for both. And like with my space, it's just a good camera, good size, all of that. I'm trying to open the box real quick. And like I said, I got the camera on sale. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all what I paid. I paid $649 in total for the camera. It was on sale for $599. The original price was $649, but it went on sale. But then plus tax, it became $649. But I didn't just get the camera for $649, which is like the good thing about this. This stuff is taped on here really hard. So hold on, y'all. That man really did get 3 TVs. Like, okay. So yeah, I didn't just get the camera. I got other stuff with it, which like made it all be great. The fact that I only paid $649. So I got a little tripod thing, to vlog with or whatever. So that's what came in the box. And then I got a SD card, a 32 gigabyte SD card. And I also got an extra battery. It's a battery that already comes in the camera, but I got an extra battery. So I got all of that for $649, which is a good deal because the camera by itself was just $649, not like the whole kit. So it's lit. And then here she is. We gotta give her a name. Okay, it's not that deep, but I don't want to ruin the boxes because I have a bad habit of that. I don't want to ruin the boxes. Okay, I cannot believe I really got it. Like, she's really mine. So this is my baby. Here she is, y'all. So black and sleek. It got the, the flip up. Y'all know what a G7X look like. All the YouTubers got it. And now I got one. So guess what that makes me? A mother YouTuber. That's so weird. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog off right here. So to see me in HD, y'all gotta come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2, and then that's when I'll start using my camera. So we're gonna end the vlog off right here. I hope you guys are happy for me, because I'm really happy and I'm really proud of myself. Thank y'all to everybody that like been watching me, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's anybody that's been watching me before I started telling people I did YouTube, like when I used to be in this room and I had this this orange light and all I had was like a lamp and a window and an iPhone 6. But you know, we invested and we upgraded, so we here. So yeah, thank you to everybody that support me though, for real. Like I really do appreciate it. Like I know sometimes y'all can't hear me. I've got comments about that, like y'all can't really hear me. I know the quality is like, I mean, it's not horrible, but you know, in the times that we live in today with YouTube, I couldn't definitely do better. And I did better, and I got what I wanted. I didn't settle. I was gonna get like a Sony A500 or something like that. I was gonna get me a Sony. It was like $300, but I was like, forget that. I'm gonna get what I want, and I got what I wanted. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Welcome to Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas Day 1. We finna go, y'all. We finna go up. Just know that much. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Mama, what is that? This ain't got nothing to do with college. This don't got nothing.
I always represent.
Oh God, you got on all red talking about some ski-wee. You
I'm a
said
Rockets
tripping.
fan.
You said tripping. But yeah, no, for
I
okay,
got
I'm gonna
triple
end this
green
video. I'm gonna end this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you, no, for real though. Thank you for anybody that supports me, that watches my videos, who likes my videos. Just thank you, like for real. We finna go up, like for real.
Mommy's so proud. Yay!
Thank you, Mama. I don't want to end the video, but I have to end the video. Like I said, so I'm finna play with the camera, make sure I know what I'm doing with it and all that kind of stuff. Like I said, if you want to see me in my new quality, you got to come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you guys again so much. Comment, subscribe, and bye, y'all.